Hello, this is Joan of Art, and let's learn Ilonggo once again. Panyaga! I'm here with my friend Catherine. Well, you all know that breakfast, lunch, and dinner is pamahaw, panyaga, panyapon. But this time, let's just focus on lunch, which is panyaga in Ilonggo. So we're doing the traditional Ilonggo way of serving and eating our lunch. And Catherine is doing the kinamot, that's eating by way of hand. Kinamot, taken from the root word kamot, which is hand. Dried fish, that's called uga. Uga meaning dried, so that's uga nga isda. Isda is fish. And that one is okra. So you all know what okra is. It's also called lady fingers. And we also have this sauce or sausaw. So that's the sauce dish is called the sausawan. So it's basically made of sinamak. Where's the sinamak? Spicy or spiced vinegar. I'm salivating. Galaway. Laway is saliva. So, itlog na pula, it's basically red egg. But the red is just a coloring to make it attractive and seasoned with salt.
Calamansi.
Calamansi also.
And
we have this also. This is baby shrimp. Fresh, preserved baby shrimp. Preserved in brine or salt as well. And with calamansi. So, calamansi is a kind of lime. And of course, this is rice with a special topping. Actually, it's taken from the bottom of the rice cooker or caldero. And that is the dukot. The dukot is burnt rice. It is claimed that burnt rice has some medicinal properties. So it's crispy rice, and it's really sought after by the Ilonggo. Kaunta. Let's eat. And we also have this word called pakulahaw. It's an invitation for you to join us eating, but it's a shallow invitation, not sincere. So, kaunta. But if you do want to join us, we can set some appointment. Why not? Right, Catherine? Kikik? Is that kikik? Or sikada? Special mention, by the way, to Steve Gallegos from California. Glendale, California. And of course, also special mention to Holger in Australia. Ubus. Ubus. We ate everything. And so there's still corn, maize. Don't forget dessert. So we have dessert or pangyamis. The root word is tamis or sweet. So anything that's sweet, that's for dessert, that's pangyamis. And this is merengue. It's a meringue, but we call it here merengue. That was a burp. Excuse me, sorry about that. And now we're done eating. Catherine is doing the panghimos or himos. So she's cleaning the lunch table that we had. That was a feast or fiesta or pista. And as a finale for our lunch is a nice cup of hot tea. Thank you, Catherine.
you're welcome.
Tea or cha in Ilonggo. Perfect. So sampat. Sampat is a perfect match. Tea and merengue. That would be a perfect match or sampat. So any kind of food that's a perfect match, it's called sampat. So what a perfect way to end our lunch here. This is Joan of Art and Catherine. Say bye-bye for now.
Bye.
See us in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!